Well, how's it going, everyone? So today I have two identical General Electric alarm clocks to bring to you today. Both of them are in the same year and make. Both are same exact as well. This one is AM/FM alarm.
For the Friday editions, it is fantastic Friday.
Alright, there you go. There's the alarm clock on. This is a cool little radio. Clock radio, I should say. GE digital clock radio. And the second one is right here with it.
They focus on, that's their
Pretty freaking cool if you ask me. Two of the same identical clocks. Same features. Couldn't help but pass both of these up. Both of them was $4 a piece. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.